Stop, stop, stop. It's not that kind of video. What can I do to not damage my tools in small and tight places? Let's find out. So you buy your new impact driver and you buy it in the hard case so that it doesn't get damaged when you're carrying it around or using it. So you do the unboxing, you're all excited, you want to use it and break it in, have some fun with your brand new tool. So it's all nice and shiny, it's got all these great features on it. I can't wait to go ahead and start using it around the house. Just looking for stuff to fix, looking for stuff to put together with my brand new impact driver. And the first time I use it, and I use it in a tight space, this happens. So my brand new Gen 3 impact driver now has some battle damage. So I'm going to find a solution that can help me work around small and tight spaces so that I can still go ahead and take care of stuff around the house. Obviously, I have the right angle impact driver, but sometimes that's even a little too big and it can even get damaged. And, you know, they're not cheap. These impact drivers are a couple $100. So, when I found this little Dewalt Wonder Tool, I was just amazed. It is a total lifesaver and it helps me get into cramped spaces without damaging my brand new tools. Let me tell you folks, this is a little ass kicker and it's recommended. That's all folks, and hook it up. Please like, share, and subscribe.